Hey guys, this is Skylar and Peyton here from FUNtastic Kids TV, and today we're going to be opening some more surprise aids, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's open them up. Here's Peyton's, and here's mine. Awesome! Cars! And we got some more DC figures.
So which ones do you need?
Batman and the Joker.
Oh, who's that?
I'm gonna open this.
Hi, open me!
Need some help?
Oh, help me.
Okay, we'll help you.
I think I can get this one, maybe.
What else you got? Let's see. Let's show that.
All we need is Batman and the Joker.
That's her Peyton.
Only one's left?
Yeah, it's only one left to complete the whole collection.
You're ready too, Peyton.
Thank you.
Ooh, candy! Awesome! Now I'm gonna open the figurine. Batman! Open it. Awesome!
So now you only need the Joker, huh?
I am so glad. I can't wait until we complete the collection if we do.
Is that who you guessed it was before you opened it?
I didn't guess.
You're hoping.
I was just hoping.
Put it in your
So
egg.
gross.
Who'd you get? You need some help? We'll get some across the room.
What'd you get? Wonder Woman again?
I don't think she did. Superman! I'm glad we didn't.
Awesome.
I'm glad we didn't get another 10th Catwoman.
Yeah. That's awesome. He looks like he's jumping.
Where's his stand?
Is it not in your bag?
No. Here, thanks.
Sure. Let's see Superman. So you don't like it?
Close. But you're gonna keep trying them?
The same taste, baby
They
girl.
taste the same.
The same taste.
What do they look like? Princesses? Candy?
Actually, mine looks like
See Superman.
cars.
Like cars. What does Peyton's look like?
I don't know.
Princesses?
She ate them. One looks like a rabbit dog.
A rabbit dog?
Half rabbit, half dog.
Peyton. They're gonna taste the same.
Look, put together.
Can you put Superman on here? Good job. You need help with that one?
Wait a minute, just one thing. I got him. Let me just get Superman to face
Put
this
him in the
way.
middle.
That's awesome.
Oops. Here. I've got the bottom part.
Right over, they're gonna fall.
Here, you can just leave it. Awesome. Batman, Superman, Cyborg, Wonder Woman.
Yay.
Oops.
I just have fun.
Yep. I'm glad we got Batman. I really wanted. Oh, he's really good detailed right here. Did you like what we got?
I'll help you.
Well, guys, we opened some cool aid surprises. We got candy, princess, and cars. We got Batman and Superman figures. We love sharing our surprise aids with you. Don't forget to leave us a comment below and click the subscribe button. And remember, have a fantastic day. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, Peyton.
Bye.